Hey people, so it is 3 in the afternoon as I'm recording this, and this is the in my entire this 2 month lockdown phase. 2 months, March, April, May, yeah, more than 2 months, yeah, 2 months phase. This 3 o'clock is the normally I finish recording by like 7:30, 8:30 or 10 in the morning. That's the maximum, and right now it's 3 in the afternoon because I've been babysitting these two little tiny little brats, no, I mean, now that it's when you look after kids full time, you realize just how much work it involves. It so a big salute to like when that's what all the mummies out there who are we have our kids with us, so then no other work is possible because I've realized that, for something like something creative, you need a little me time also, to rejuvenate and then come out with something creative. So no wonder, yeah, through the ages, all the mostly men have got the monopoly over all things creative. I mean, like a lot of men, male poets, writers. Mostly, ours has been a male dominated society, and I've realized ours is a male dominated society because males are dominating. So anyway, lots of gyan in this particular video, but really, so I just want to justify why I've taken so much time to record. I'll make another recording soon after this because this little time I have is precious. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.